Hey all, welcome back to the S Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a skincare review and from one of my favorites brand. It's from Forest Essential. One of the requests to review this lip balm from Forest Essential. So I thought I will, get my hands on it. I've already tried the lip balm range from Forest Essential sometime back and it's also empty now. I just have very teeny tiny left. You can see it's almost empty. And I have a new lip balm from them, which is Sugar Rose Petal. Before I start my review on, I would request to subscribe to my channel if you're not part of DS fam, and also subscribe to my notifications, so whenever I upload a new video you'll get notified on that. And don't forget to check my Instagram also for any latest posts and reviews, so you can get hold of me there. So without further ado, let's just start the review for the day. So as I said, this is from one of my favorites brand. I have reviewed multiple Forest Essential products. This is one of my Dia's favorite brand, I would say, because it's organic, natural, Ayurvedic and all those good stuff. It's made in India, so I would love to try any product that's made in India, especially when it's natural, organic. I'm very keen when it comes to my skincare that it has to be mostly chemical free. But this is the lip, you can see the packaging is so pretty. This is the lip balm with Sugar Rose Petal and organic beeswax. The Ayurvedic name of this is Tharuni. This is from authentic Ayurvedic formulation. You have the key ingredients as kokum butter, you have beeswax, you have sweet almond, cocoa seed butter, you have rose flower extract, rose petals and vitamin E. And this product retails for 625 rupees and you get 1 year of shelf life, natural and Ayurvedic formulation. And this comes in this cardboard packaging. I already used, as I said, 2 other lip balms. I used the same rose one and also this narangi lip balm. I got this initially when Forest Essential had this lip balm duo box. I think they don't sell them now. They sell these individual lip balms. You get 3 grams of lip balm in this, but in this you get 4 grams of lip balm. You get 3 grams. This is like a kit in which I got this, and also the Sugar Rose Petal lip balm. I don't know where I have it, but these are so pretty packaging. I put this in my handbag. Even then I have this emptied because of the mirror it has. It has a cute little mirror. It's very rare to see a mirror inside a lip balm, but you get this cute little mirror. And the products comes like this. This is like an oval shape packaging. This one was sweet narangi lip balm with organic beeswax. Yeah, I can still smell that. And this one comes in 4 grams. Now if you purchase it, you get this cardboard packaging. At the back side you have all the details. When you open it, you have this kind of cardboard packaging with some not thermocol, with some kind of material. And then the lip balm is here. It looks almost similar to that. The color is little different, and you have the details at the back side. This is rose. You can see the color of the lip balm. It comes in this very pretty packaging. You have Forest Essential labeled here, and when you open it, it smells so nice. You have a mirror here, and then you have the lip balm here. The orange lip balm comes in like orangey color, but again very light orangey yellowy color. The pink one comes in this color shade. You can see it's transparent glass, so it's plastic. Sorry, it's not, it's plastic, so you can see the lip balm see through it. And it's so soft. It's so soft. It's transparent lip balm. It doesn't add any color. It has very light hint of color, but it doesn't add much color. So you can say it doesn't add any color, but it has very light sheen of color. It doesn't add that pinkiness to your skin, to your lips. But I really love this packaging because when I want to apply lip balm when I'm outside, I just can see my mirror and apply it. It's so cute packaging. I love cute packaging, but again I think this is not so hygiene, using your fingers to apply lip balm, especially when you're outside. So they also have tube lip balms now, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I have not got my hands on it, but if you have, that's good. But again, I really love this packaging because in tube packaging you don't get a mirror, right? This is so cute. I really, you can see I have saved this. I use this mirror, so I will also save this one definitely. Coming to the fragrance, it smells exactly like rose petals. Exactly like rose petals. It's so nice. It's so soothing. It's not any of kind of added fragrance. It's so natural. It's so nice. The only thing is it's little expensive. 625 for a lip balm is too costly, but I think I got this in Amazon during an offer, so that's okay. But Forest Essential do not have quite frequently any offers, but on Nykaa you do get it. So if you want to try this on Nykaa, then that's a good deal. And this lip balm keeps your lips so soft, so plumped up, and it does not stay on your lips for more than 2-3 hours. I expected this lip balm to work for at least 4-5 hours. It does not stay on your lips for 4-5 hours. It stays on your lips for 2-3 hours, but you have to again reapply it. That's why it's easy to carry in your purse and reapply it. The only downside of this I feel is like it doesn't stay on your lips for longer time, but again it's lip balm, so if you eat and drink it obviously has to fade away. But the best thing is it actually heals the chapped lips a lot when you apply. If you have too much chapped lips in the night, just try to apply this in the night. Apply a thicker layer like a sleeping lip mask, and that really helps a lot because it has all natural ingredients. It helps to smoothen your lips. It also has vitamin E, so it supples, it actually softens your very dry lips, and it really works nice. I don't have too many cracked lips, but it is a very good lip balm if you want to apply before you apply a liquid lipstick or matte lipstick. I really recommend applying a lip balm before you apply lipsticks. So it also gives that smoothness to your lips. Just leave it on for 5 minutes and then your lips become very soft, and then if you want you can rub off that excess lip balm with a tissue paper and then apply the matte lipstick. But I love applying lip balm on top of my lipstick as well because it makes it look sheen. Let us try now. I have a matte lipstick on from Huda Beauty. So you can see the difference. It actually adds instant glow to my lips, so it's really nice. So you can see you can transform your matte lipstick to creamy finish. I really like the sheen. You can see the difference before I applied this and now. So you can apply it as a lip balm, as a night lip mask with a thick layer, and it smells so nice. If you are very sensitive to smell, you might not like it because it lingers for few seconds after you apply on your lips. It smells so divine and nice because I love roses. To make any lipstick from matte to creamy finish, you can apply it. It gives it, that's a little sheen, shine. It's so beautiful, so pretty. I really love that, and I would totally recommend you to try on that lip balm. I really love it. The only thing is it's not a hygiene one, but lip balms are not thing which you share with someone. I don't share my lip balms with anybody in my house, especially the lip balms which is this or even tube format. We have lip balms for everyone individually because it's not hygiene sharing your lip balms, even it comes in tube or kind of any roll on. I normally don't share my lip balms. So oh my god, I really love this shine. But it is really a good lip balm if you want to invest in one good lip balm which is organic, natural. This is one of it. I also love the Kama Ayurveda lip balm, but if I compare between Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essential, the packaging is so damn pretty. So for packaging, for the mirror in it, for that feel of that luxury, I would rate this on top of Kama Ayurveda. But again, both are organic and natural, but this one is so nice. It smells awesome. This makes me feel good. I can use it on top of any lipstick also, and you can see it so nice. So trust me guys, you can have to definitely try this. And if you get in duo, it's very affordable. Otherwise you have to get this individually, but I think once in a while you can pamper yourself by getting these kind of things, goodies. And this actually comes a long way. It's very little goes a long way. You just need one swirl, and then you've seen I've applied entire my lower lip. Just 2 swirls and your lips are covered. You don't have to dip in or dip out kind of nails through your hands and then apply a thick one. Very little swirl is very much enough for your lip balm. So this actually comes with 4 grams, so this is very much enough. You can, I think I have used this for around couple of months. Regularly if I use it, I have used it couple of months because in the night I tend to apply a lip serum or a thicker lip balm. but if I use it continuously, you can definitely use it for about 2 to 3 months, 2 months at least. So that way it is really good. Anyways, there are good lip balms out in the market which cost you around 300, 350 or 200 also. So if you want to try and invest on one good lip balm which actually helps you in a good way contribute to Indian brands, you can definitely try this. One more thing I noticed is whenever I use this lip balm, whenever I use natural ingredient lip balm, they actually tend to lighten my lip tone. I have not too dark lips, but again, most of the Indian women have that. I mean, I have, my lips are not really great. They are little pigmented lips. So these natural lip balm, especially this one, Kama Ayurveda, has helped me a lot to reduce my pigmentation on my lips, which really worked. When I stop these lip balms, I use any other normal lip balm which they say sell as natural organic lip balms. I tend to go back with my pigmented lips, but whenever I use lip balms which are Ayurvedic formulations which I trust on, brands like Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essential, my pigmented lips actually start to look way better and the pigmentation reduces on them. So I think, yeah, this is kind of Ayurvedic medicine also. If you have too pigmented lips, you can definitely try this and give it a shot. So thank you so much for staying tuned. That's my review on this product. I hope the person who has requested the review is happy with this review. If you're happy and if you like this video, please hit on thumbs like to this video. And if you have any request on reviewing any other product from any other skincare brand, do let me know. I'll definitely try and make sure I'll review that. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Have a great day. Bye bye.